Welcome everyone. Namaste, y'all. My name is Becca, YogaBex Cummings, and this is our info session for the Superfood Cleanse, which is coming up soon, September 25th through October 25th, 2021. It is the Fall into Balance group transformation. Yes. Who needs more balance? Yeah, me too. It's been a great summer, but I'd like to set myself up for success for the holidays and beyond. And I do this seasonally. I do a cleanse or ultimate lifestyle transformation seasonally. And consider this. What would your house look like or feel like or be like or smell like if you never cleaned it? And what about your bathroom? Gross, right? So just like your house and your bathroom need regular cleaning, so does your body, mind, spirit, okay, on a regular basis. And this cleaning is known as cleansing. So what you'll learn today during this info session is why most cleanses don't do your metabolism any favors, plus why many people, myself included before I found this protocol, often gain some or all of the weight back that they lost. And you'll also learn some precautions of cleansing and intermittent fasting and juicing, as well as benefits. And you'll learn the top 3 things that this protocol does better than many of the other popular methods of detoxification and weight loss out there, fasting methods and such. Plus how our upcoming superfood cleanse gently, effectively, and efficiently cleanses your body temple. So who am I? I am a former dinosaur paleontologist. I'm on several, documentaries. You can look up the BBC's Allosaurus Walking with Dinosaurs special, or I think it's the 2nd or 3rd episode of Bill Nye the Science Guy. I'm the way cool scientist on there. Turned healing artist. And I've been through the dark night of the soul a few times. I suffered from depression, addiction, numerous diseases of the body, mind, and suicidal ideation and an attempt years ago. And now what I do is I help people fly above the demons of self-sabotage and addiction, and we get to the root of the issues and transform with a holistic supportive framework. And one of the foundational pieces is eating cleaner, greener superfoods. That has been so transformative for me. And if I had only had these superfoods, back when I did my very first cleanse in 2010, when I had precancerous leukemia, fibromyalgia, polycystic kidney disease, and numerous other disorders of the body mind. And through nutrition, yoga, alternative therapies, I was completely clear of all those items in 9 months only. Okay. So let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food, including thoughts, right? We want to clean up our mental environment as well. But food is really foundational. So what is cleansing? Cleansing is ridding your body mind of accumulated toxins, cellular waste products, parasites, and what I call sludge by fasting, juicing, and eating clean for anywhere from 3 to 90 days. And our upcoming superfood cleanse is a 30-day program. Precautions and benefits: most fasts out there end up messing up your metabolism. And although you lose the weight that you're seeking to lose or firm up a bit, by losing that weight, you feel better. You also lose muscle and can easily gain the weight back. So annoying. With this protocol, however, you build muscle. It's unique in that way, okay? You actually gain muscle. You tighten your skin. I have a completely different neck than I used to. I used to wear scarves all the time to cover up my turkey skin neck that I had going on. I'm 53 years old, by the way. You build muscle, tighten skin, and increase your metabolism during this cleanse. Another precaution is most cleanses out there do not have the ability to remove glyphosate from your system. What is glyphosate? Glyphosate is the primary chemical found in the weed killer Roundup. And Roundup is not just sprayed on people's lawns to kill dandelions. It is sprayed on most of the conventional commercial crops out there. Even organic foods have been found to be contaminated with this dangerous toxin, and it's known to cause cancer. There's a big lawsuit that came out, I think it was in 2020, maybe 2019, maybe actually earlier than that. But anyway, you would see TV commercials even about Roundup. And, you know, do you have lymphoma? Do you have this cancer of the lymph nodes? And there was a big class action lawsuit that's still going on over, you know, 3,000 different, maybe even more than that now, cases are part of this lawsuit. And our animals get exposed to it as well. And we even, this company that I represent even has a product for our pets that I give to my animals to help remove this toxin, because they're down on the ground, they're walking through everything, you know, right there, whatever is there, they're eating stuff. And so they can get cancer prematurely too. And if you look at the trend and arc of disease occurrences, it can be tied back to this dangerous toxin. So this protocol, guys, is features the only product on the market that removes this toxin. Okay, so it pulls it out of your gut and it restores your gut microbiome. So really amazing. Another precaution of cleanses is that you really need to be mindful of detoxifying too quickly, because you can make yourself very, very sick. And because you overload your systems with the poison that's coming out of your tissues. Okay, so what I love about this protocol is we can assess where you're at. So if you want to do this cleanse, you're going to have a totally free holistic health consultation with me. We're going to go over your current circumstances, your health goals, whatever's going on for you, and we're going to find an approach that works for you. We have different schedules that you can follow. When you order your Superfoods pack, you get this awesome info sheet here and a tracker on the back. It has the schedule, the different schedule options and everything, as well as these QR codes that you scan so that you can have that schedule digitally as well. And you also get a lifestyle guide that goes into more detail about the different schedules, but I will help you find the schedule that works for you, okay? So that you detoxify at the rate that is appropriate given your circumstances. The top three benefits or three cool things about the Superfoods program are convenience, purity, and cost. Okay, so it's super convenient. You have live dehydrated superfoods that you mix with water. You can mix up a shake in less than 1 minute. I mixed this up in less than 1 minute. And, you know, it's an 18-ounce shake, right? It's convenient, quick, and tasty. And purity, highest quality superfoods on the planet. How can I say that? How is that possible? Because we use technology that originally was devised by the Mormons. Mormon families each have a 2-year supply of food in their pantry. That's part of their practice. And this Mormon priest came up with a way to live dehydrated foods. And so the powders that you see on this slide, we have carrot juice, beet juice, and kamut, or ancient Egyptian wheatgrass. The superfoods that you'll be using during this 30-day reset, this ultimate lifestyle transformation, are the appleberry power shake, and that's grasses and grains in that. and it has it helps increase your adiponectin, which is your fat burning hormone, with the rice bran solubles that are in this power shake that boosts your ability to burn fat. These are the highest quality superfoods on the planet, and our mission is to make Purium more popular than Pepsi. Purium, the word comes from the word purity. It's a combination of the word purity and premium. Like we mashed them together and created a new word. And our company goes above and beyond certified organic standards. Above and beyond, guys. So we have a low carbon footprint, and it helps you have a low carbon food print. Might be a new phrase or term there for you. Plus, we are going plastic free in 2021, and we have biodegradable packaging that we are shifting to. Instead of those big plastic tubs, everything comes in biodegradable packaging now, so you can compost it. And finally, the cost. What does it cost to mix up an 18-ounce Superfoods juice, right? What does it cost? So if you're juicing at home with a juicer or making a smoothie in your blender, you're going to spend anywhere from $15 to $20 for a juicer, using a juicer that extracts the juice and separates it from the fibrous plant pulp. If you're using a blender, you might spend a little less, 10 to 15, maybe 10 to 12 for an 18-ounce superfood shake or smoothie. Juiceland, minimum for an 18-ounce superfood juice, you are going to spend $10 minimum. And that may not even be superfoods or, you know, all the goodness that comes in this live dehydrated power shake. Purium, $3 for an 18-ounce superfood shake. Can you believe it? $3. So this ultimate lifestyle transformation, if you want to look at a digital presentation of what some more of the benefits are and what all is involved and what you might expect, you'll also be part of a support group we have going on Facebook. It's a private Facebook group that we have where, you know, specialists, including me, but many other specialists and leaders in our company are going to be doing live streams. We're going to be supporting each other every step of the way, just like geese fly in formation. It's easier to fly in formation. So we do this together. So you have some place to be accountable, some people to be accountable to, a place to go for support. If you have a question, if you have an issue arising, you can post it in the group and somebody's going to jump right on that. If I don't see it right away, somebody else will. Okay. So you can replace 2 meals a day for only $11. That's $5.50 a meal. Okay, that's protein, greens, fruit, vegetable. You know, all your nutritional needs for 2 meals a day for $11, $5.50 a meal. And then you have the option to do a third shake for $5.50 and serving of protein. Or some people opt to have a small meal. And during the course of the 30-day transformation, you do eat real foods. We have a list of foods that you work with. And we also have recipes. We have an amazing recipe book in the private Facebook group. So you can go to this link here, bit.ly/emerge 2021, lowercase everything, and look at that digital presentation, check it out. If you're interested, there's a link that you can click to purchase your ultimate lifestyle transformation 30-day supply of superfoods. That's 2 superfood meal replacements per day. There's different schedules that you can follow. And you're going to use gift card code YogaBex, YogaBex, and save over $100 on your 30-day pack of superfoods. Really amazing. Once you purchase your pack, or even before you purchase your pack, if you would like to have a totally free, no obligation whatsoever holistic health consultation with me, please do so. Please reach out to me on Messenger. I am on Facebook as Becca Cummings. You can find me there, or just send me a message Send me a message through there, comment on this post, what have you, and I will get you set up for a session. So again, our Fall into Balance group transformation is September 25th through October 25th, 2021. You want to go ahead and order your Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack in advance, right? So you're all set up. You want to go through your fridge, your pantry, let your housemates, your family members know what you're doing, and see if any of them want to join you. What sets this protocol apart from all others is convenience, purity, and cost. And I would just add the ability to adjust it as you need to. It's very flexible in how you can work yourself through this process of detoxification and nourishment. We're going to saturate ourselves with superfood nutrition as we detoxify, building muscle, tightening skin, improving sleep, losing weight or gaining weight if you need to gain weight. Most people need to lose weight, but some people out there need to gain weight or build muscle, and it does all that and more. And just consider for a moment, when was the last time you cleaned your house, meaning your body temple, your body mind? When was the last time? Isn't it time? And this is the perfect time to do it, this fall season, before we get into the busyness of the holidays. So I invite you to join us. It's going to be amazing. And I so look forward to seeing you in there. Let me see if I can start my camera here. All right, all right, all right. Thank you for being here today. Much love to you. Here is the packaging we're going to. So we're getting rid of the plastic tubs and going to this biodegradable packaging. So your Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Kit, the Power Shake, will be coming in these packages. Your supplements will be coming in this more paper-like package. And here is the lifestyle you'll get in your Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation box. And your awesome tracker. You couldn't see this before. So your awesome tracker, as well as QR codes to scan with the schedules. It's like a placemat, okay? So you can have it at the place, in the dining room where you eat. And your superfoods are delivered via FedEx. I've already taken everything out of this box, but here is what you'll receive in the mail. You'll receive this. It was shipped via FedEx, shipped via FedEx, and your 30-day supply of superfoods, $5.50 a meal, and for a 30-day supply of superfoods, and that's 2 meals a day that you'd be replacing. So reach out to me. I would love to help guide you, have you join us, guide you through this. And if you are looking for an extra source of income or just income in general, and you have a heart's desire to help others feel better and know about these superfoods, which we are going to make more popular than Pepsi. So you want to hop on this train right now. Let me tell you. You can get your own gift card code, and I can help you share with people in your network so you can increase your network as you heal and nourish and detoxify. So look forward to seeing your comments and having you sign up for that totally free holistic health consultation with me. And really consider, what are you waiting for? Don't you deserve this amazing self-care and this amazing nutrition? Join our Fall into Balance group transformation. We'll get you plugged into the private Facebook group where, again, we're going to have all kinds of specialists interacting in there, presenting practices, yoga practices, recipes, what have you, supporting each other. We're going to post our before and after pictures in there. And you'll just get loved on in there. It's just loved up and loved on. So that is what I have for you today, my friends. Talk to you real soon. Namaste, y'all.